What's up, beautiful people? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good midnight, good whatever it is, wherever you are on earth watching me. It's your boy again, David, this evening, man. It's been a very long time. For more than a month now, I've did a video. Jesus Christ, people, I'm so sorry, it's ups and down. I've been busy, we've been quarantined, and right now I'm okay. I have this COVID-19 of a thing. I was quarantined, but right now I'm better. You understand? Please, people, whatever you do, please use your nose mask. So it's your boy this evening again, David, live from IFX Studio. Okay, people, this evening I just want to do a little recap on the UK 100 CFD. You understand? So I've already done this analysis a long time ago. Since last year, you understand, I did this analysis, but today, I just put this, round curving candle stick. I put it in the afternoon, because I knew that this market was an uptrending market. You get it? So people, please, before we further, please, I would really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on my YouTube channel, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. I really appreciate it. Sorry for our user hoodie. I'm sorry for using and hoodie. So like I was saying, I really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button on all of my social media platforms, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I really appreciate it. So people, let's get down to business. So today now, I've analyzed this trade for a very long time. UK CFD, UK crude oil CFD. I think, it's UK CFD. It's UK CFD, just like I was saying. So I've analyzed this market a long time ago, and I said this market is an uptrending market. You understand? So this is 7 p.m. Eastern time, which is 1 o'clock in London. I think 2 o'clock in London. 2 o'clock in London. 2:10 in London as we speak right now. So this new candle opened. So this is the Friday candle that end. This Friday candle start. This was the candle that started on Friday, but it ended this afternoon, like this evening around 5:36. So I believe it ended around 6:30. So this is the new candle that opened. So this and this and this, what makes me believe that this market is an uptrending market. The market has already spoken for itself a long time ago. You get it? The market has already spoken for itself a long time ago. I analyzed different market and I left them because as we speak, not just analysis, I'm in some market that I said the market, this is the direction the market will go, and it's going exactly the direction. So let me give this a snapshot. Okay, that's already been done. So because I give it a snapshot, because when the results come, everyone will see that this is what I said. That what I said, what I forecast, me and my team is really manifesting as we speak. So as it is like this, what makes me see that this market is an uptrending market, because reading the market from the stock market, from the CFD, from the bond indexes, commodities and all that, reading the candlestick from that is different from reading the candlestick on Forex trading. You get it? So as it is like this, what this market is saying, what makes me believe that this market is an uptrending market, the things that make me believe are in this circle. This is 1, this very place is 2, and the major thing that makes me believe is within this place, is within this candle that started, this candle that galloped around let me see, this was 11th of November. You get it? 11th of November. So I just did a trend line like this. I just drew a trend line like this, that this market is swinging up. So when it got to this place, I know that the market will change direction. And how do I know that the market will change direction? It's because of some specific candlestick from this very angle that was December 9 to this very angle, which is December 31st. You get it? This really manifests many things. This really speak many words. This really say many things and make me know that this market is an uptrending market. You get it? So like I was saying, should you just take a look at this market? Let's take a look at it in the past. You get it? So I drew all this in the past. I've drew all this a long time ago. You understand? All this trend line, all this stuff, I drew it long time ago, a very, very long time ago. You get it? So, here it is. So I drew it long time ago. So here we go. As it is like this, what makes me believe that this market is going to break up, this curve, this very curve says a lot of things. It says a lot of things. It speaks a lot of language, doji, pin bar reversal, what's it called, one white soldier, one black crow, and all that. And it has a lot of indecision. You get it? But when it got to this very angle, this was why I mark it out. When I mark it out, it's so clear. This was why I put this very trend line in this place, because I know that it's definitely going to bounce back up. I put this trend line in this very point at this, I think at this very point, at this very trending point of 558.21.0. You understand? That was where I put this trend line. I remember then. I could show you the snapshot of it. I could show you the snapshot of it. So I just put this trend line here, and I knew that it would reverse, and it did exactly as I forecasted. You understand? It reversed and it counted. Let me see. 5554. Okay, 5554 till let me see. 6386, 5554 to 6386. Okay, 5554 to 6386. Okay, sorry people, I'm coming. Sometimes this could be a little bit crazy. I'm sorry. Now, I'm not a calculator yet, but I'm still learning. 6386, minus 5554. Okay, so from here to here it went 832 pips. Remember people, this is a daily chart. You understand? So you might wonder that how can the market goes 832 pips within this range to this range? You understand? But it does. It's very, very much possible. You understand? You just don't expect the market to keep going one direction. You understand? So since it reversed in this very avenue, it's so clear that it's an uptrend market. You understand? Which it does, which it specifically does, which is a very good thing. It came up to this very angle, and when it got to this very angle, it bounces. You understand? It bounced down and it pick it up again. It bounced down and it pick it up again. All these candlesticks have been drew a long time ago. You understand? The one that I could say I just drew was this very curving candle. This very curvy one. And before I drew the curvy one, I've said before that the market will hit this point. I said this I've said this long time ago. Since it opened in this very top, that was January 21st. I've said it long time ago that the market is going to hit this point and it's definitely going to reverse. And the market did exactly just that. You understand? I'm not saying I'm an expert here. I'm not saying that I'm that good. You understand? But at least from the littlest out of little that God gave to me, you understand? Speaking of knowledge, speaking of manner, who am I? You understand? So at least from the littlest out of little that God gave to me, at least in this, in this Forex trading market, in this capital trading market, at least I know some few things. It might not be much, but I know some few things, and I really thank God that it's working for me. You understand? But I believe you yourself, you could do better than that. It could work for you too, should you choose for it to work for you. So just take a look at it and let me know what you think. Please people, just like I said, at least I'll be off for now. At least this will be all for now for the UK 100 CFD. So people, please like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button on all of my social media pages, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I really appreciate it. So people, trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy, use your nose mask. Coronavirus is real. Have a good one, people.